Hello, dream seekers. Today we embark on a journey of self-discovery as we explore 5 powerful ways to find your passion and purpose. If you've ever wondered, what am I meant to do? Or, where does my heart truly lie? You're in the right place. Let's dive in. Our first compass on this quest is self-reflection. Take a moment to pause, breathe, and explore the activities that ignite a spark within you. What brings you joy? What could you do for hours without feeling drained? These are the clues to your passions. Start by creating a passion journal. Jot down moments when you felt truly alive, instances where time seemed to stand still. Identify patterns and recurring themes. Your passions often reveal themselves in the things that make your heart race and your soul come alive. Reflecting on your passions is an ongoing process. It's about paying attention to the activities that make you lose track of time, evoke a sense of purpose, and bring joy to your soul. The more you understand what genuinely excites you, the closer you get to unveiling your purpose. Our second compass directs us to the vast landscape of interests. Be an explorer in your own life, try new activities, attend workshops, and dabble in hobbies that pique your curiosity. The journey of finding your purpose often begins with the courage to explore the unknown. Your interests are like undiscovered territories waiting to be explored. They might be hidden gems that, once unearthed, reveal new facets of yourself. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and venture into uncharted territory. It's in these explorations that you might stumble upon your true calling. Exploring your interest is not about immediate mastery, but rather about the joy of discovery. Whether it's taking up a new sport, learning an instrument, or delving into a hobby, each exploration contributes to the tapestry of your experiences and brings you closer to understanding your authentic self. Our third guide on this journey is the recognition of your strengths. Take a moment for honest self-assessment. What are you naturally good at? What tasks do you excel in effortlessly? Your strengths are the building blocks of your purpose. Identifying your strengths is not about comparison with others, but understanding what makes you exceptional. Your strengths are the raw materials with which you can sculpt a purposeful and fulfilling life. Embracing your strengths empowers you to contribute to the world in a way that aligns with your authentic self. Our fourth guidepost directs us to the core of your being, your values. Your values are the guiding principles that shape your decisions and actions. Reflect on what truly matters to you, what you stand for, and what you believe in. Consider engaging in volunteer work or community service. It's often in giving back that we connect with our deepest values. Your purpose is intricately woven into the fabric of your values, creating a life that feels meaningful and aligned with what you hold dear. Embracing your values is about living by your authentic self. When your actions align with your values, you experience a profound sense of fulfillment. By incorporating your values into your daily choices, you pave the way for a purpose-driven life that resonates with your true identity. Our final guide is woven into the fabric of your journey, your life experiences. Every challenge, triumph, and turning point carries valuable lessons that can shape your purpose. Reflect on the obstacles you've overcome and the moments that defined you. Your life experiences are a treasure trove of wisdom. What have you learned about yourself during difficult times? How have moments of success or failure shaped your perspective? Your purpose often emerges from the crucible of your unique life story. Life experiences, both positive and challenging, contribute to your growth and understanding of self. Embrace the lessons they offer and recognize that your journey, with all its twists and turns, is an integral part of discovering your purpose. Your past is not a limitation, but a foundation upon which you can build a purposeful future. As we wrap up our exploration of these powerful ways to find your passion and purpose, remember that this journey is uniquely yours. It's not a race or a destination, but a continuous process of self-discovery. Reflect on your passions, explore your interests, identify your strengths, embrace your values, and learn from your life experiences. These are the threads that weave together the tapestry of your purpose. Thank you for joining us on this quest to unveil your purpose. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And most importantly, take the first step today. Your purpose is waiting to be discovered, and the world is ready to witness the extraordinary impact only you can make, urging you to embrace your journey and live a life that echoes with purpose. Until next time, keep seeking, keep growing, and keep unveiling the incredible purpose within you.